Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I hope everyone is good. We are at the stage of end. We are in the stage of end because we completed significance, we completed importance of management, we completed objectives of management, we completed levels of management, we completed functions of management, we completed management as an art, management as a science, and management as a profession. And we also completed the features of coordination. And the final stage of significance and principles of management, the chapter that is ending stage, importance of coordination. Are you clear? We completed everything in the first chapter except importance of coordination, a small concept but important concept. So to discuss the importance of coordination, we should have some clarity regarding what is the necessity of coordination, what are the reasons to coordination. Just take the example of two families. Take the examples of two families. The first family is this one. In this family, there are only four people: father, mother, son, and daughter. And the second family, grandfather, grandmother, and their children, and their children, and their children, and the sister children. Grandfather, grandmother. This is called the undivided family. This is divided family. There are two types of families. One is undivided family, another one is undivided family. Are you clear? By taking this example, by taking these families as example, we will get to know what is coordination. So, if there is in the first family, in the first divided family, there is no problem. Father will go for office, mother working as a housewife, son and daughter going for schools, and there is no confusions. There is no misopinions. There is no problems. There is no argument. There is no indiscipline. There is no waste of time. So, if there is only a family of four members, the two undivided family means there is only father, mother, son and daughter, so there is no problem because they know what the role they have to play. Father will go for work, mother will work in the house, son and daughter will go for school or something else. So they know what is the role, what they have to play and how they have to work. So there is no confusion, there is no misopinion, there is no problem, there is no argument, there is no indiscipline, there is no waste of time, there is no waste of work, there is no problem. Suppose if we taking into the example of second family, that is undivided family, there are number of people. There are two elder people, grandfather and grandmother, and their male children, female children, and their children, and the brother's children. It is a group of family members. There are a number of family members. At that time, there is a chance of confusion. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಕೇವಲ 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬರೋದು. ಅಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ undivided family, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಸ್. Maybe there is a chance of rising confusion, misopinion, problems, arguments, indiscipline, waste of resources, waste of time, waste of everything possible in case of second family. But in case of first family, there is no problems. So why I took this two families as an example for coordination is just I will change this families into an organization. I will change this families into organization. How? I will explain. Just take example, father as a manager, mother convert as a supervisor, son and daughters take it as a workers, managers, supervisors and workers. And here I am replacing grandfather and grandmother into CEOs and managing directors. CEOs and managing directors. And the brothers and sisters I am replacing with production manager, sales manager, production sales manager, R&D department manager, finance manager, human resource managers, and their subordinates. Each and every manager having 4 subordinates. Each and every manager having 4 subordinates. Don't confuse, just I am replacing the family, first family into this organization and the second family into this organization. And the first family, there are 4 members, just 4 members. And in the first organization, there are 4 people, managers, supervisors and workers. And here, there are number of workers, CEO, MD, production manager, sales manager, research and development manager, finance manager, HR manager and their subordinates. So, which organization having more people? Absolutely, the second organization having more people. In the first organization, there are only 4 people. So, now you are getting an idea. What does that idea means? So, why we need coordination? Because if there is only one manager, one supervisor, workers, so there is no confusion between these people. There is no confusion between these people. There is no misopinion with these people because manager has to coordinate supervisor has to coordinate workers. There is no argument. There is no indiscipline. There is no pressure of work. Only because there is only 4 members. At the time we don't want any coordination. At the time we don't want any initiative for maintaining the organization because the number of the organization is limited. So take the example of second organization. As we think like second family, CEO, MD, production manager, sales manager, research and development manager, finance manager, HR manager and their subordinates. So if we are taking into these examples, so there is a chance of raising confusion comparing to first and second organization, the second organization having more chances to raising the issues of confusion, lack of cooperation, lack of coordination, lack of misopinion, problems, arguments, indiscipline and wasted of time. So we have to take the example of second organization because in the 1951 the organizations are very small like this. Up to 1991 the organization worked like this. After introducing LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization, the organization, almost all the organizations transformed like this. There is no one manager, there is different managers. There is no one director, there are different directors. There is no one type of workers, there are different type of workers, supervisors, foremen, inspectors like that. So after the LPG, the organizations become large. The organizations become big. And at the time, there is one problem. And then there is one problem. The problem is confusions, misopinions, problems, arguments, misagreements. These situations are arised in the year 1995 at the time. So, for maintaining these organizations, we should have one tool. We should have a proper equipment. We should have proper technique. We should have proper strategy. That strategy is coordination. The strategy is coordination. Because if the organization is small, no need of coordination. If the organization is small, there is no confusions. If the organization is little, there is no arguments. If the organization is small, there is no difference of opinions. So if the organization becoming large, becoming big, transforming as a large organization, at that time we should have one tool. That tool is coordination. That tool is coordination. That is the reason we need coordination. So we discussed what are the problems of coordination. So we have to discuss what are the reasons we need coordination. The three reasons we should know why coordination is important. Why the coordination is important. So these are the problems what we facing because of large scale organization, and the remaining are solutions, reasons why we need coordination in the large scale industries. Mainly there are three reasons. Why we need coordination. What is the importance of coordination? The first importance, growth in size. The first importance is growth in size. Second one is functional differentiation. The second one is functional differentiation. And third one is specialization. The third one is specialization. Again, I will explain the three importance, the three reasons, the three essentials why we need coordination. What is the importance of coordination? What is the necessity of coordination? What is the essential of coordination? Shall we move? Yes. So, we are talking about the reasons for coordination or importance of coordination. The first importance is growth in size. The second one is functional differentiation. The third one is specialization. Are you okay? What is the reason for coordination? What are the importance of coordination? What is the importance of coordination? Why we need coordination? Why we need coordination? What is the necessity of coordination? Yes, we need coordination because the organizations are not small, they are large. We need coordination because the organizations are not small, they are large. We need coordination because the organization is not going in a one line. The organization is going in a multiple lines. The organization moving in a multiple lines. Because it is not going in only on production, it is not going only finance, it is not going on only HR, it is not going on R&D. It is going in multiple aspects. That is the reason we need coordination. How means, I will explain later. Specialization, because in the starting of industrialization, industrial revolution, the people, the entrepreneurs only focus on single activity. Only focus on single activity. They are not focusing on HR. They are not focusing on any finance. They are not focusing on technical. They are not focusing on R&D. They are not focusing on production. Just they are focusing on how to get profits, how to convert the raw materials into finished goods. Later, it becomes specialization in each and every activity. How it will work, I will explain. So take the example, take the reason, first reason for coordination, that is growth in size. Yes, I already said you. The organizations are not little. The organizations are not small. The organizations are not small. Nowadays, the organizations are large. The organizations are becoming multinational companies. The organizations are having more employees. The organizations are employing more employees. The organizations are working employees number is more than 1,000, and the managers are more, executive officers are more. There are different departments. In the different department, different people, different backgrounds, different attitude, different way of approach, different way of working, different way of approaching. At that time, we should have coordination to combine their interest, to combine their activities, to combine their performances. Are you getting? The organization is small means no need, because there is only one opinion. If the organization is large, if the organization growth is more, if the organization growth is improved means definitely there is a necessity. Definitely there is a need. That need is organization should have proper coordination, because in that organization there are number of people is working. In that organization number of employees are working, and they are having separate background, they are having separate issues, they are having separate interest. To combine their interest, to combine their diversified needs, to combine their diversified objectives, we should have coordination. We have to convert individual interest to organizational interest. Individual interest to organizational interest. Because in the organization, someone is coming for their own interest. As a coordinator, as an organization holder, organization chief, we have to convert that personal interest to social interest. To convert that personal interest to organizational interest, we have to harmonize the organization. We have to create an atmosphere in the organization which is friendly for everyone, which is useful for everyone. That work should be done by coordination. The first reason why we need coordination means if the organization is small, we don't want coordination. If the organization is not having more employees means we don't want coordination. But if the organization size is more, if the organization size is improved, if the organization having more employees, at the time we need coordination, because in the organization there are number of employees, number of people, number of workers. Their habits are different, their backgrounds are different, their issues are different, their objectives are different. To combine their objectives, to combine their activities, to integrate their interest, we should have coordination, because we have to convert their personal interest to general interest. We have to convert their personal interest to organizational interest. To convert their personal interest to organizational interest, we should have proper methodology, proper technique. That technique name is coordination. The first reason why we need coordination. Are you okay? The second one is functional differentiation. So we already discussed, there is organization is not one-time activity, it's not going in a single lane, it's not going in a proper single track. It is going in a multiple track. Production manager, sales manager, finance manager, HR manager, like that. So, if there is no person is involving in other activity, and that person is not involving in other activity, because there is functional differentiation. Production manager will focus on production activity. Sales manager will focus on sales activity. Finance manager will focus on finance activity. R&D department, research and development manager will focus on R&D activity. And finally, finance manager will focus on finance activity. At the time, there are number of chances arising the issues between one department to another department, one function to another function. If the marketing manager is not willing to sell, marketing manager is not willing to sell more number of products, means the production department godown will become more contingent. Suppose if the finance manager is not providing proper finance to the production manager, the production manager cannot perform the activities in the organization. So there is a necessity of coordination. There is a necessity of cooperation between one organization, one department to another department. And the department are not having idea between one department to another department. Production department does not have idea about sales department. Sales department don't have idea about production department. At that time, we should have a proper person to reconcile, to reorganize or rebuild the relationship between one department and the department. At that time, we need coordination. At that time, we need coordination. Why we need coordination is, the first one is, it is not simple organization. It is complex organization. It is large scale organization. That is first one. Second one, there are number of functions. There are multiple layers. There are multiple tracks of organization. So that for maintaining harmony, for maintaining peace, for maintaining cooperation between one department to another department, we should have functional differentiation. We should have coordination to make functional smoothness in the organization. And the last one is specialization. Last one is specialization. And the last reason for why we need coordination. Because day by day, the activities, the functions are becoming specialization. Suppose in the HR department, there is one category. In that category, the HR manager only focusing on data science. In finance department, the finance manager will focus on the financial inflows and outflows. And in the production department, the production manager will focus on the production activity. And the R&D department, the R&D manager will focus on research and development. And they are specialists in their activity. They are specialists in their activity. If they are specialists, means they will not allow any persons to judge their activity. If it is wrong also, no one will accept it is wrong, because they feel that, they assume that, or they think that we are only eligible for judging, we are only eligible for working, we are only eligible for analyzing, we are only eligible for evaluating. If it is wrong, even though it is wrong, the specialist will not compromise on their views, compromise on their own, compromise on their objectives. At that time, to reconcile that specialist persons to other specialist, one specialist to other specialist, or the specialist persons to workers, the specialist person to managers, we should have one person to reconcile. Sir, this is not right track, or this is not a right path, or this is not a right move. That is how to change the path. This statement should be given by one person. That person should become coordinator, that work will become coordination. So if there is no coordination means the specialist will not accept, the specialist will not move in a right track, will not move in a right path. At the time to give a proper direction, to give a proper way, to give a proper method of working, we should have one person to reconcile them. That person is coordinator, that person work is coordination. So we need coordination mainly for three reasons. One is growth in size. They are not small organizations, they are large scale organization. If it is large scale organization, is large scale problems, large scale issues, large scale misopinions, disagreements, mismatches, confusions. All the time we should have coordination to handle that confusions, to handle that conflicts, to handle that problems. And functional differentiation, I already discussed with you. That is, organizations are not going in a single activity, not working in a single duty. They are working on different functions, production, sales, R&D, HR, like that. At a time, the organizations are not going in a one line, they are going in a multiple line. To handle the multiple lines, to coordinate with one department or other department, we should have coordination. And third one is specialization. I'm already discussed with you. There is no organization without specialization. Each and every organization having specialization, because some companies only specialize in the production, some companies only specialize in marketing, some companies only specialize in raw material or ingredients or inputs. Some organizations are assembling, they are specialized in assembling. So if the activities are specialized, means they will not accept their issues, they will not accept their other ideas, they will not allow others to take decisions in their duties. At a time, we should have one person, we should have one work, we should have one element, we should have one strategy to reconcile the specialist persons to the workers, to build, to reconstruct the organization process. And these are the three reasons why we need coordination and what is the necessity of coordination. And this is about importance of coordination. ಯಾಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಮನ್ವಯತೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, what is the necessity of coordination ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ three reasons. And this takes into end of the chapter, because we started with the meaning of management, importance of management, features of management, functions of management, objectives of management, levels of management, management as a science, management as a profession, management as an art, and coordination, functions of management, and what is the importance of coordination. And this is a summary of significance and importance of management. And this is the final stage of management chapter. Are you clear? From starting point of the chapter to ending point of the chapter. If any doubt or if any problem in this concept or the total chapter, you can take a call with me to clarify your doubts. Thank you, madam. Aina time